Have you got a selfish tool of a partner whose snoring keeps you awake all night? Yeah? Well, you need to buy him these Repair Sleep Sticky Patch mouth tags. You just stick over his mouth and it shuts the snoring up straight away. It stops snoring instantly, straight away, and it allows everybody to get some sleep. So why not just buy your partner a pack of these? You get 30 in a pack and they're so easy to use. That's 1 month's supply. Whack them on his lips, tell him to shut up. Good night sleep. Kiss kiss bang bang. Best thing is, they're cheap as anything and you can get them to pay for them. I've added the link below, so click it and grab yourself some.